Welcome to Chiben's bag making tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about machine. You see this machine now, this is what I'm using to sew my bags, and this machine can sew any type of leather, whether hard or soft. So there are people that have this machine, but the thing is always giving them problem because of the way they are using it. One thing with this machine is that you have to handle it well. Anytime that you want to use it, make sure you'll service it. Servicing it means that you first of all now you will lose this place to put the oil. When you put this place, you clean it very well. The way I'm doing, you clean it very well. You use your rag, clean it. When you clean it, you now apply oil. You now apply oil. You apply oil, then you now fix it back. You fix it back. When you fix it back, then you lose this area. When you lose it, you now remove this board, then remove these ones, clean it very well as well. When after cleaning them, when you dismantle them, then you clean them very well with rag. Then you clean the chamber as well. When you clean it, then start oiling it. Make sure you oil them very well. You put your oil. It's not this one is not anyhow oil. Don't mind the color of this one. It's normal oil mixed with another oil to make it somehow thicker, but not too thick like that. You oil this one. This gate, you oil it. When you oil it, you fix them. You fix it. You fix this one as well. You oil it. Then you now oil inside again, little. Then you now fix your reeler. Then you fix it. Fix this one as well. Then you tight them very well. Then put your thread. Then you test it. Yes, you can see that the machine is sewing well. So anytime that you are sewing, make sure that you oil the machine very well. When you oil the machine every day that you are using it, it will make the machine to last longer and it will work perfectly. So that is it. So the major problem of this machine is that when the machine is working without oil, you are forcing the machine to work, and that is why it will start giving you more problem. So that is it. That's what I want to tell our fellow tailors. Either you are using it for cloth or you are using it for bags. So all the same. But when you are using it for bag, the thing carried more load than than cloth. So you have to oil the machine, clean the machine on daily basis. Then you oil it. And when you notice that the oil here has dried off, you have to add little oil again whenever you are sewing. Thank you.